here at Grand Velas Riviera Nayarit, and I just walked into a family suite. Great living area here with beautiful outdoor areas as well. So here is the bedroom for the children. I'll have to get the square footage of what this is, but you can see, look at the size of their balcony. It's huge. So nice size bedroom for the kids, bathroom for the kids. And then we come around here and just do a quick loop around here. I want to take you into the master bedroom, which will be the king bed. Great space here. Lots of room. So if you want to do a week, you can feel like you're all spread out. And this is one of my favorites, of course. Look at the view. Ugh. Gorgeous view of the pool, the ocean, and this huge terrace that also has lounge chairs over here and a jacuzzi. So again, this is the family suite at Grand Velas Riviera Nayarit.